Welcome back to Cooking for Clearview. This is another brand new series. Now, in case you missed the last series, honey, it was Cooking for Clearview, breakfast, lunch, and supper. Wonderful series. But so we're lifestyle coaches, and also we volunteer here at the Clearview Cancer Institute for over 14 years. But now we have a special series today. What's the series, honey?
Don't forget, because I am of this taping.
Oh, yes.
15-year breast cancer survivor.
I think you're going to make it. I think she's going to pull through. Yes, all right, yeah. This series, honey, is brand new series. Let's give them a little tease.
I'm just thinking about, this is the holidays coming up. With that in mind, I know you're saying to yourself, we talked about plant-based cooking, remember? Right. And I know people are thinking about turkey and all the stuffings and everything that goes along with that.
Plant-based, yes.
But have you ever thought about plant-based? As a matter of fact, you might have people coming over that are plant-based eaters. You have got to meet us in the kitchen, because guess what, girl? We are going to do these turkey cutlets.
I can't wait, baby.
Okay.
Let's do it.
These, we're called like turkey cutlets.
Okay. Now, these are plant-based.
This is all plant-based.
In your frozen section.
In a frozen food section. And you know what? It even comes with its own gravy in little pouches.
Wait a minute.
You just sit it in hot water.
You can't get too easier than that, yeah.
You can't get no easier than that. And so and you know there's no oil at all.
Oh, okay.
Because it has its own oil base as well.
Maybe
you see it's
5
already
minutes on each side or so? Or?
Yes, just 5 minutes on each side, and it's ready to go. And all we're gonna do on this one is put our top on. And we're going to put the top on it. It's already basically ready to go. So we're going to just go ahead on and turn it off. Okay. What actually goes with turkey?
Okay, so you got maybe cranberry sauce. Right. You have that. You always have a dressing.
Let's just plate that up so you can see the finished product.
Baby, I can't wait.
Here we are.
All right, welcome back.
We got it all finished.
It's been plated.
It's been plated. You can see the turkey cutlet.
There you go, baby.
You can see that gravy going across it.
Yes.
And our stuffing, our cranberry sauce.
Okay.
And I know that you're saying to yourself,
it's time. We can sample this.
That's why I brought you your own plate.
Okay, there we go. So,
so now, let's go with the turkey
cutlet.
What
about our, we did at our reception after we got married? You feed me and I feed you.
Is my piece bigger than yours?
Yeah.
That's your piece.
Thanksgiving dinner right here, Cooking for Clearview.
Cooking for Clearview. I know you said, okay, they did Thanksgiving. I might be ready for Thanksgiving, but what about Christmas?
Oh yeah, right around the corner.
We gotta do Christmas, Curtis.
Next time we come back, Cooking for Clearview, holiday style. We see you next time.
That's right.